friends, it's Miss Jennifer at Somerset Academy of Music, and today I'm going to show you how to play the A-flat major scale. So before we get started, I'd just like to thank you for watching this video. If you find it at all helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to real quickly just go through the fingering and demonstrate how to play 1 and 2 octaves. And for those of you who would like a deeper dive into all my tricks and tips, stick around and I'll go more in depth in just 1 second. But starting off, here we have the A-flat scale 1 octave. And this is what it looks like 2 octaves. Okay, so the first thing we need to talk about is that the A-flat major scale has 4 flats, and those are B-flat, E-flat, A-flat, and D-flat. So let's take a look at the right hand. I'll go over the letters first. So with the right hand, we're going to play A-flat, B-flat, C, D-flat, E-flat, F, G, A-flat, A-flat, G, F, E-flat, D-flat, C, B-flat, A-flat. Now I'll go through the finger numbers. We're going to start with both hands with our third fingers on A-flat. So we're going to go like this, 3, 4. Then we're going to tuck our thumb under to the C, and then 2, 3. Thumb goes on the F, 2, 3. On the way back down, that's going to be 3, 2, 1. We're going to cross our third finger over to the E-flat, 2, 1. Cross your fourth finger to B-flat. All right, let's check out the left hand. The left hand, as I said, is also going to start with your third finger on A-flat. And since the letter names are the same, I'm just going to go over the fingering. So we're going to do 3, 2, 1. Now, when we get here, this is unusual, but we're going to cross our fourth finger over to the D-flat. Normally, we don't do that. This is one of the few scales that we put our fourth finger on a 2 group of black keys. So we're going to go 4, 3, 2, 1, and then we'll end by crossing our third finger over to the A-flat. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Thumb on C, 2, 3. Okay, let's go ahead and put that together. I'm going to say the letter names. A-flat, B-flat, C, D-flat, E-flat, F, G, A-flat, A-flat, G, F, E-flat, D-flat, C, B-flat, A-flat. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at 2 octaves. And because the fingering is exactly the same, no matter what octave you're in, this is very easy to turn this into 3 or 4 octaves if you'd like to as well. Okay, so we're going to start with, again, with both third fingers on the A-flat like this. So we're going to do A-flat, B-flat, C. Remember, when we get here, our right hand 2 is going to be on D-flat, but we're going to cross our 4 in our left hand to D-flat. D-flat, E-flat, right hand thumb on F, G. Both third fingers on A-flat, B-flat, C with both thumbs. Left hand crosses your fourth finger over to D-flat, E-flat, F with your right hand thumb, G, and on A-flat with both 3s, 3. And then we go back down to G, F, E-flat, D-flat, both thumbs on C. Cross right hand 4 to the B-flat, A-flat, left hand thumb on G, F. Both third fingers on E-flat, D-flat, both thumbs on C, B-flat, A-flat. I'll do that a little more smoothly for you. And there we have it. That is our A-flat major scale with 1 and 2 octaves. If you found this video at all helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel, and I will look forward to seeing you in the next video real soon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.